So today we are changing the lift support, the rear lift support on 2011 Kia Soul. Now I have ordered some lift support for Amazon, which I have a link in the following video where you can click and look where I got it from. And basically you lift your trunk and then you hold it. It's something like this right here, just a rod, or I just use a cutting rod, but use something sturdy, and you just hold it with that right there. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna, over here, you're gonna use your pick tool or your Phillips screwdriver to pull this part, and then it just comes out. Same thing on the bottom right here. You put your pick tool right in here, you pull it and it comes out, and then you put a new one, you just push it in. And the only thing you need is you just need 2 new lift support, and I have a link in there where you can get this from Amazon in the video. And this is only thing you need is a pick tool, and maybe a flatbed screwdriver will do a job too. So basically you put your pick tool over here, okay, and you just pry it out, okay, right there. You just pull it and this thing just pops right out. Alrighty, same thing on the bottom. You just put your pick tool there and you just pry it out. There you go, and it just comes out. Okay, now you put the new one. So here's a new one. Now remember, this rubber part, this fat part right here goes on the top, and the below is a narrow part. Okay, so all you do, you just take this and you just push it in, and same thing you do in the bottom. Okay, basically you take this right here and you just align it right there with it, and you just push it in. It's kind of hard for me to do while I'm holding the camera, and that's how you change it. It's pretty simple. Thanks for watching. Please do check out our channel. We got how to do videos on Honda Civic, Toyota Camry, Kia Soul, Honda Elantra, and some other vehicles, and some auto parts and some tools. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.